Hello guys, welcome back, and today we are going to be doing some stuff with my dad. So let's get going. So let's go downstairs. Well, actually, yeah, let's go downstairs. Let's just go downstairs. How do you do this? Okay. So let's just go downstairs. And I'm trying to do this. Making my things more easier. And making things more easier is more easier. So, okay. So I'm going downstairs. And actually, there's a pretty blue jay around here somewhere. And he is up in that tree over there. And you're gonna go and see where he is exactly. So where he is exactly is somewhere over up in that tree. Let's try and see. Okay, I'm gonna switch the picture. Yikes. What? Okay. So actually, can you see my hand? I think you can see it, but there's a blue bird around here somewhere by my house. Yeah, I could hear it. Okay, it's over here. Oh, I saw it. Oh. I really saw it. Must be somewhere over here. I think I just heard a really loud noise. It's somewhere. I saw it. Okay, how do I... Oh, wait. So, it's right there, but sorry, I have to go.